This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
That I have multiple follow-up questions. One is, of course, I have done a lot of fat finger myself. Have you done any fat finger and what actually happened? What was your lesson learned the next time?
Okay, so I don't know if these things are like very specifically fat fingering. So I tried, yeah. So I tried doing some things by myself without asking to the manager. So what I usually do is basically try out some solutions by myself first and then reach for help. Okay, so this is the way I was always been. So this actually like with this way I actually faced some problems as well, because whenever I tried to do something, I broke some protocols that I didn't know. Okay, so I didn't like meant to do this, but I did it anyway because I wanted to check if this was the case or not. But then later on, my manager or someone from the security team came to me and said, hey, why did you do this? And then I said, oh, I didn't know. So this kind of things happened all the time. And then I actually came up with my own strategy that whenever I actually work on the client's system or on a live system, whatever I'm going to do, I just write it down for me for the steps. Like, okay, this is what I'm going to do because it helps me for like prioritizing things. And then I just send it to my manager and say, hey, I'm doing this, and this stepwise. Can you please go through it and see if it makes sense? And then he like does some nitpicks and like suggests some things that, okay, you missed this point, or you can add this check as well to make this like go a bit smoother as well, and then you will have this thing. So whenever I do this, even if I goof up on the system, he actually backs me up because I showed him that, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Do you have any objections or something? So he literally takes it on his hand and then he manages me. So yeah, this happened a couple of times. So the lesson learned is I always like go through this with my manager all the time. Like it doesn't matter with a senior engineer or a manager. So I try to not do this on my own anymore.
Great, thank you.